Hi, welcome to my review of the Logitech MX Master 3. This is the latest productivity mouse from Logitech, and you notice that I have two computers here because I want to show you all the cool features that this mouse can do. But first, let me start with a presentation of the mouse. How does it fit in the hand? It's a really big mouse, so people with bigger hands should have no problem fitting it right in. The size is on the larger side. The mouse offers a lot of support, and due to the Teflon bits that are on the back side, it slides really easy across any table or even glass. I've personally tested it. It works really great. But the star of the show is the electromagnetic scroll wheel. What this means is that you don't have a classical scroll wheel, but it rides on magnets, and it's a lot more smoother. How is this in real life? It's really great. It's really buttery smooth, and you can scroll your way through anything. If you press the mode button, you can switch between continuous and iteration-based scroll. But if you're in iteration-based scroll and you scroll really fast, it switches automatically between the scroll modes. Next up is the thumb wheel, used for vertical scrolling. Now, I expected this to be an iteration-based scroll like the main scroll wheel, but it's just a simple continuous scroll. You can customize its speed from the software so that it achieves basically the same effect, more or less. It's really useful in video editing software. For example, I can move the timeline right here, or in other programs, I set it as volume up or volume down. On the bottom, there's a switch where you can switch between three different computers that you use your mouse with, just by pressing it. The other cool button is the gesture button, which is right here. It works by pushing down on it and dragging to the left, to the right, to switch desktops, up, for example, for the start menu, or down if you want to show desktop. This is the normal regular behavior, but you can customize it as with everything. And lastly, there are two classical back and forth buttons. But of course, with this mouse, you can customize everything. The first tab in the Logitech control software is where you can customize the button functions. You can just click on a button and choose whatever function you would like. Also, this is available for the gesture button or for any other button on the mouse. The second tab is where you can customize your scroll speed, the pointer scroll or the thumb wheel, which is used for vertical scrolling. One of the coolest features of this mouse is Logitech Flow. If you have the software installed on two computers, it allows you to seamlessly switch between those two. For example, now I'm moving the window here, but if I drag the pointer of the mouse to the edge of the screen, now I'm in the other computer and I can move windows here. Another cool feature is the ability to copy and paste files. For example, on this computer, on the left one, I have a photo and I want to copy it to the other one. I just Ctrl C for copy, go with the mouse on the other computer, and here I can just paste the file and open it. It was seamless, very easy, and this is a really nice feature if you want to work with two computers at once. The mouse charges via USB-C, and Logitech claims up to 70 days of battery life. Unfortunately, I haven't had it for that long, so I can really test this out, but if it's anything like my old MX Anywhere 2, which I think has the same battery, then it should last for months at end. Goodbye and see you next time. Please subscribe also.